How to hide in plain sight in Excel. It's easy to hide a row or column. Just select the whole thing by clicking the letter or number header, right-click, and select Hide. You can unhide by selecting the columns to either side all at once, right-clicking, and selecting Unhide. But what if you have just a little section of inconveniently placed data you want to hide, but you still want to be able to work with? Easy. Highlight the cells, right-click, and choose Format Cells. On the Number tab at the top, go to Category and select Custom. Type 3 semicolons, winking smiley in the Type field. Click OK. Now the numbers aren't visible, but you can still use them in formulas.